name is Dianu Naisa from the 12th grade. Here I want to make a video about the bricks of limitation from Gurung Mali. Orientation. In Gurung Mali village, Sintang, night were long and dark without light. People could only sleep, while Nayao, often wondering how to make the village beauty last longer so activities could continue at night. Di desa Gurung Mali, Sintang, malam terasa panjang dan gelap tanpa cahaya. Warga hanya bisa tidur, sementara para nayau sering bertanya-tanya bagaimana caranya agar keindahan desa tetap terjaga agar aktivitas dapat berlanjut di malam hari. Complication. Electricity seemed impossible from Gurung Mali because of its distance from government facilities. Yet Nayao refused to give up. Around a campfire, he shared his idea of building a micro-hair power plant. Many doubled in him, worrying about cost, distance, and risk. Nayao encouraged teamwork, suggesting cheaper alternatives and even offering himself as quitters. Some villages lost hope and left, but a few remained quality supporting him. Listrik tampaknya mustahil bagi Gurung Mali karena jaraknya jauh dari fasilitas pemerintah, namun Nayo menolak menyerah. Di sekitar api unggun, ia menyampaikan gagasannya untuk membangun pembangkit listrik tenaga makrohidro. Banyak yang mengkhawatirkan biaya, jarak, dan resiko. Nayo mendorong kerjasama tim, menyarankan alternatif yang lebih murah, dan bahkan menawarkan diri sebagai jaminan. Beberapa penduduk desa kehilangan harapan dan pergi, tetapi beberapa tetap tinggal diam-diam mendukungnya. Evaluation. Nayo reminded the village that the key called down just right for government, electricity, and needed to act together. Encouraged, Apoy Supardino and Hisako voiced their support, agreeing to work as one team. Nayo mengingatkan penduduk desa bahwa mereka tidak bisa hanya menunggu listrik dari pemerintah dan perlu bertindak bersama. Apoy Supardino dan Hisako pun bersemangat dan sepakat untuk bekerja sama. Revolution. The next day, Nayon and his supportive friends required an agreement with the mattress shop and began building a dam, mill house, and a 200,000-meter water channel. Working together manually, they covered the structures and generator, driven by the hope of bringing light to their village and ending the limits of dark night. Keesokan harinya, Nayao dan teman-teman yang mendukungnya mencapai kesepakatan dengan toko material dan mulai membangun bendungan, rumah penggilingan, dan saluran air sepanjang 200 meter. Dengan bekerja sama secara manual, mereka menutupi struktur dan generator didorong oleh harapan akan datangnya cahaya ke desa mereka dan mengakhiri kegelapan malam. Coda. After 3 months, the micro-hydro power plant was finally complete. Finally, the house where they lived were enjoyed at night. Others who professionally doubled the value of hard work, cooperation, and care for the environment. The joined in cheers. Villagers were then more enthusiastic about protecting the forest and the surrounding environment to keep the water supplies remaining affordable. Nayo smiled broadly and was part of his friend. The beautiful of Kurumali village will stay forever and people will be more prosperous since there are more productive now. Nayo whispered, togetherness can break through limitation. Setelah 3 bulan, pembangkit listrik tenaga mikrohidro akhirnya selesai dibangun. Akhirnya rumah-rumah tempat mereka tinggal bergembira di malam hari. Maka yang sebelumnya meragukan nilai kerja keras, kerjasama, dan kepedulian terhadap lingkungan kini ikut bersorak. Warga desa pun semakin antusias menjaga hutan lingkungan sekitarnya agar pasokan air tetap tersedia. Nayo tersenyum lebar dan bangga terhadap teman-temannya. Keindahan desa Gurung Mali akan abadi dan masyarakat akan lebih sejahtera karena mereka sekarang lebih produktif. Bisik Nayo, kebersamaan dapat menembus keterbatasan. That's all for me. Thank you. Bye-bye.